Batter Cake, the channel that's about baking and much more. A warm welcome to my channel.
Do you want to cook a simple but delicious dish that everyone at home will enjoy? Then this is it. Today we are making a classic Goan dish, Choris Pulao or chorizo rice. It's a one-pan wonder that comes together in one pan and can be made in under 30 minutes. Growing up, I remember how one of my neighbors, Kusu auntie, God bless her soul, would make Choris Pulao almost every Sunday and send a steaming hot plateful over to our house so we could enjoy it too. Well, those were the days when neighbors forged strong bonds of friendship that lasted for life. But now, getting back to today's recipe, let me show you my way of making chorizo rice right here at Batter Cake. Let's get things going by soaking some basmati rice. This is 1.5 cups of rice that I had washed thrice with plenty of water and drained. I'll now add some water to it. There's at least an inch of water above the level of the rice. Let's keep this aside and let the rice soak for around 20 minutes. Now let's turn to our main ingredient, chorizo or Goan sausages made with smoked and cured pork. Here I have 100 grams of sausages, that's around 24 units. This is an adaptable recipe, and if you don't have Goa sausages or chorizo, you could use any other kind of sausages including chicken sausages after chopping them into small chunks. We need to first remove the meat from the casing, and here's how it's done. I'll first snip off 4 units. Cut off the string. And then cut the casing open. And remove the meat. I'll repeat this with the rest of the sausages and then discard the casing and bits of string. Here's the meat from all of the sausages. Next, let's check out some of the whole spices we'll be using. 8 cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks, each around 1.5 inches long, 12 peppercorns, 4 green cardamoms that I've cracked open, and 1 black cardamom. I've cracked this open too. My pressure pan is heating up on a medium flame. To it, I'll add 2 tablespoons of ghee and 1 tablespoon of oil. Once that gets nice and hot, I'll throw in the cloves, cinnamon sticks, peppercorns, green cardamoms, and the black cardamom. Let's saute these for a few seconds and then add in some chopped onion. I got this from 2 medium-sized onions. We'll saute it till it starts browning. I'll now stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and then add 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped finely. We'll saute the tomato till it softens. Next, we'll add the sausage meat, saute it for a minute, and then add 3 cups of hot water and 2 bouillon or soup cubes. You could leave these out if you want. I'll also add 2 teaspoons of lime juice. This will keep the rice grains from sticking together and give us a fluffy pulao. Once the mixture comes to a boil, I'll stir in around 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt and then taste it to check if I need to add more salt. It tastes just fine. It doesn't need any more salt. Finally, let's add the soaked and drained rice and carefully stir everything. As this cooks under pressure, the rice will soften and absorb all the delicious flavors of the chorizo or sausages. I'll put the lid of the pressure pan on and turn the heat to high. When steam starts emerging from the vent on the top, I'll fix the vent weight in place. Once full pressure is reached, I'll lower the heat, let the pulao cook for 4 to 5 minutes and then turn off the heat. It's now around 10 minutes since I turned off the heat, and the pressure inside the pan must have already reduced to normal. So now let's take off the lid. When you cook pulao in a pressure cooker or pressure pan, the whole spices and added vegetables etc. tend to rise to the top. You could take off some of the whole spices at this stage or later. I'll now carefully mix the chorizo rice and at the same time fluff it up with a fork. Wow! Our pulao looks and smells great. Time to plate it. I'll add a sprinkling of chopped coriander as a finishing touch. And there you have it, a simple to cook but bursting with flavor and color Choris Pulao or chorizo rice, as you may also call it. I can't wait to dig in and give this a taste. The right balance of spices and flavors and the taste, incredible. You'll just have to make and taste this for yourself to see that I'm not exaggerating. Before I sign off, a small reminder to like and share this video and let me know how you would rate it. Until we meet again, happy cooking!